Hi guys, thank you for always stay tuned with my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a simple headband like this. You can make it for yourself or you can give as a gift for your friends or another people that you know, and also you can sell it. This is very cute. You can cover your original headband using yarn like this. I hope you like it too. Without wasting your time, let us start it. I use red yarn like this with 4-ply size yarn, and also you need to have original or base headband like this. I use 2.5 centimeter size like this. I use 3.5 hook like this, and then I need sizer and also I need marker for this tutorial. So let us start it. Make magic ring like this, and then pull yarn and make slip stitch like this. For me, I will use 7 single crochet because this headband size fit with 7 single crochet size. Now make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then pull the short yarn here. Make it tighter like this, and then start second row with single crochet, so I don't make a slip stitch here. Then make another single crochet here, make another single crochet, so repeat to make 7 single crochet for the next row. If you like to use marker, you can use it, but for me, I don't use marker here because I think I need to repeat the single crochet for each of stitch until I got the headband size to cover it. So if you look at this is already show that the cover look 3D like this. So just repeat this pattern until you got size to cover this headband. I will show you when I already got long tail of headband cover. I have a long headband cover now. Check the size of this. So the size of this headband cover approximately 37 here. And then I will try to put my headband here. Just put it like this. Push it until to the end like this. And then pull to the another side. So make sure all thing is paired with this headband. Okay, this is almost covered now. And then in here I will cut this remind yarn left for 25 centimeters. And then I will sew this one, this open cover here. Put your yarn to the needle and then make a slip stitch using yarn like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the last stitch 7, and then pull it to open this. Okay, after that just sew it to the another side to make it more western, and also to hide the remind yarn as I do it in here. After we finish it, cut this yarn. So this is the look of my headband after covered with yarn. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, just click comment below and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and so you get my new tutorial updated. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.